Hi guys, I'm Kira, and today you'll learn how to pronounce the word перерыв, meaning break or pause. Say the letters P and D quickly, one after the other. Piri, piri. Now let's say them with a good Russian default mouth position. Jaw slightly forward, tip of the tongue behind the bottom teeth, lips rounded and protruded. Piri, piri. This is very close to the first two syllables in the word перерыв. The yes sound like e's, and you should let a little air be heard escaping through your pursed lips on the p and through your teeth on the r. Pi-ri, pi-ri. Notice that when you say pd quickly, you are really flicking your tongue against the roof of your mouth to say the d. Piri, piri. This tongue flick is exactly what you need for the r in the last syllable. We can practice it by imitating the call of a chickadee the way we do in North American English. Chick-a-dee-dee-dee, chickadee-dee-dee. According to northernwoodlands.org, chickadees use the chick-a-dee-dee-dee call to warn others of a predator, and the more dees present in the chickadee's call, the more dangerous the threat. So let's pretend we're chickadees raising the alarm to practice the tongue flick. Chick-a-dee-dee-dee, chickadee-dee-dee. Now let's say PD quickly and add on another D as well to make the second R easier. Piriri, piriri, piriri. Now the vowel U. Let's start with a real Russian U with good default mouth position and lips really far out. Jordan lips. U, U. Now relax only the lips and let the tongue remain where it was. Ooh, ooh. If you practice this exercise a lot on your own, you'll eventually be able to produce the U vowel by itself because your tongue will remember where to go. So back to our word. Instead of PDD, our word sounds like this. Jordan lips. Pi, ri, r. Переры, переры. The only other thing to know is that the V sounds like an F. Let's do the whole word. Jordan lips. Перерыв, 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 перерыв. That's it, guys. Be sure to subscribe on YouTube, share my videos, suggest a word, and check out my video course at unlockingrussianpronunciation.org, where I explain why some letters sound different in certain situations and how you can learn to predict and pronounce all of the subtleties. And if you teach Russian and you like my videos, please consider tagging me on Instagram so your students can see them too. Счастливо!